Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Have you ever noticed this? Someone asks you a simple question in English like how are you? And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know the answer? You know the answer, but you don't know how to answer naturally. So don't worry. In this video, I will teach you 10 common English questions and natural answer that you can use in real life. So by the end of this video, you will feel much more confident while speaking English. So let's get started. Question 1. How are you? Instead of saying only I'm fine, try these natural answer. You can try these like I'm doing great, I'm good thanks, I'm pretty good, no bad, how about you? Question number 2. What's your name? Answer. My name is Rakesh. I am Rakesh. Question number 3. Where are you from? Answer. I'm from India. I live in Himachal. Question number 4. What do you do? Answer. I'm an English teacher. I'm a student. I work in a private company. Question number 5. What are your hobbies? Answer. I enjoy reading books. I like watching movies. I love learning English. Question number 6. What are you doing? Answer. I'm studying English. I'm watching YouTube video. I'm talking to my friends. Question number 7. Do you like English? Answer. Yes, I do. Of course, I love English. Yes, I'm learning it every day. Question number 8. Can you help me? Answer. Sure. You can also try, of course. Another one, I would be happy to help you. Question number 9. What time is it? Answer. It's 10 o'clock. It's 3:30. It's 5:45. Question number 10. See you tomorrow. Natural reply. See you. Take care. Have a great day. So don't memorize only the answer. Practice them aloud. Repeat them every day. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, fluent English speaker don't just learn vocabulary. They practice questions and answer every day. Here are your challenge. Today, answer these 10 questions in front of a mirror. Do this for next 7 days. You will notice a big improvement in your confidence. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and follow my page. I will answer you. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. And in next video, I will bring 100 common question and answer for you. So wait for this video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.